A sneeze happens when something tickles the little hairs inside our nose, like black pepper or dust. But sometimes we sneeze for other reasons, like when there's snot blocking our nasal passages. When your nose wants to eject what's bothering it, it sends a signal, get this, to your sneeze center. You heard that right. You have a sneeze center that triggers your body to produce an amazing sneeze.